Hey friends, how are you? Today I'm going to show you how can you record PC screen. So without wasting any time, let's get into it. So first you need a software called Wondershare Filmora X. You need to install this software. You can also get the cracked version of the software from the website. And here you need to come at the Google, and from here you need to search get into PC. For example, I type here get into PC.com. You need to open this website. I'll close this tab here, and in the search bar you need to type here Filmora. I'll type here Filmora, and is the prompt is showing here, and I type here and I press on go, and here you have a software called Wondershare Filmora 2023. You need to click on this, and from here you have an option in the bottom, download. You can also download from here, and the password of zip file is 123. And how can you install this software? All the necessary guidelines are in this video. You can watch this video and install the software accordingly. So now you need to open this software, Wondershare Filmora X. I'll open this software, and here software is open. Now you need to click on this option, new project. I'll click on this new project, and here we have a multiple options is showing here. So here you have an option showing here, record. When I click on this record option, here is the option is showing live update. And from here when you press on this record option, there is three further options showing the record from webcam, record PC screen, or record voiceover. So from here you need to click on this record PC screen. I'll click on this, and in a while there is another screen is showing. Here you see there is another screen showing. It asks me to record the full screen, whole screen. You can choose a custom option also. When you click on custom option, you can adjust that which part of the screen you want to record. You can drag and drop accordingly that which part of the screen you want to record from here. And if you choose the option full screen, I'll press on this option, and when you press on full screen it will cover your whole screen automatically. So from here you can also adjust that it will be a speaker or your microphone. And from here it is asking me that you are using any microphone or not. So if you are using your microphone with your PC, you need to click on this microphone option, and then you need to click on this option. When I press on this option, it will count down 3 to 1, and it will recording my screen automatically. So now my whole screen is recording when I tap any screen, and from here when I go any other screen. So now our screen is recording. Now when I came back, and from here when I press on this record option again, record PC screen, and from here there is a option showing in the bottom menu. From here you need to click on this option, and when you press on this option, the screen recording has been automatically finished. After finishing screen recording, the screen recording, the various output will be showing here. When you drag and drop this file from here, you can adjust the fps accordingly. I'll press on this, and here you see when I play this video, you see our screen recording. When I go further and I open any tab, now you see there is another screen is opening. It means that our PC screen recording has been successfully done. Also it have a voice also. Here you see there is a bars are showing. It means that our voice also has been captured while screen recording of my PC. So by using these simple steps, you can easily record your PC screen. I hope you found this video helpful. Please hit a like button. Also subscribe to our channel for future updates. Thank you.